A very good afternoon to all of you, and above all, a big thank you for sacrificing your day of rest, the Sunday, with us today. This day happens to be a big day for us because we have identified and acknowledged that God has a purpose in our life. The purpose began on 25th of August when Vanessa was born to us. With her came a message that we need to do something to children like her. And in the years that followed, we kind of nourished that dream over and over again that we need to build a place where children like Vanessa would like to get a home like the way Vanessa has. Not because other parents don't give, but because we felt that Vanessa has progressed because of the love and care we gave her, and we wanted to share the same with other parents to give the best who are less privileged than her. It's not a matter of money, but it was purely a thought that germinated with the seed of Vanessa coming into our life, and that purpose that God has blessed both of us with in our life was, this is your mission, build a home for children like her. And we are very thankful for that moment when I spoke to Girija about it and said, Girija, this is what we want to do. And she immediately said, I have another person who could help you with. And this person came as an angel to me, and that was Chetan. Mr. and Mrs. Bendre, you're very lucky to have a son like him, who in his thought has never ever crossed the limits of what we expected of him. To understand what we wanted out of him and to script it to perfection, he is a good example of that. You are blessed with a son like him. Thank God for him in your life. He got Sunil involved, who is the builder of this place, who I think has taken the utmost interest and spent most of his time traveling this distance, scrutinizing everything along with his team of Rakesh, Harshad, Gautam, all of them who minutely have scrutinized each and every need of ours and done this. Thank you, Sunil. Thank you, Chetan. And above all, thank you, Girija, for putting me on to these people who have made this dream come true. Never the least, the family who stood by us in supporting this. Whenever I have picked up the phone, made a phone call, I want this, where can I get this? They have always been there. Even in future, I please request all of you to be a part of this. Whenever you feel you want to spend some quality time, a resort somewhere will cost you. But coming here will fetch you the blessings from Lord above, because spending quality time with someone who expects nothing in return is the best thing that you can give out to this world, and these children are one of those worlds. So please do come here, spend your time whenever you have, because that will give us a break as well. And this project in future will become the best home for the mentally challenged children, because the people involved want to give the best. So in future, we request all of you to be a part of this venture, and please help us out in whatever way you can. Even physically coming here and staying for 2 days and saying, Mr. and Mrs. Matero, take a break, we will love it. So please be a part of this and continue to be a part of this full buckle with the Ithni Foundation. Thank you so much and enjoy this. Some friends come in your life like
God's presence. To walk across the desert, and people were walking across the desert and they were dying for food, and then one day they slept and they opened their eyes and they found crops of food spread all around, and that is called as manna. Similarly, in our life, some friends come like that. They give you nourishment, and one of the persons is Vijaya. She is a person who came into my life from a completely different organization where I went to learn public speaking. Even though I was good at public speaking, there is always room for perfection. So there was this organization called Toastmasters that was initiated, and there is this lady who came all the way from Doha to help us start that because she's an expert in it. There are so many things that she has given up in her life, and one of them is her ambition to be a Toastmaster and to be a great speaker and to be a talented trainer. She couldn't do that. But God has made her for bigger things. So we keep, like all ladies do, we keep sharing all things, and then she shared a dream with me one day that I want to build a house like this. And that's when I just joined Vedant. But then just looking at his face and Sunil's face, I felt okay, they are one among them. That sometimes it clicks, that gives it its own feeling. I got it when I saw them. And so when I went and told her, they have done several wonderful projects and you can completely depend on them and they will carry it out into the game. And they did it. So Vijaya stood by, through the project, it became it went through its ups and downs. She was patient and she was very caring about both of them. I never thought that they are just people who are going to fulfill the project. She took them in her fold as family. And they also needed her as family. So that is why this is now standing today. It's not just a building, it is more than that to all of us. So it is sweat, blood, tears, love, everything that has gone into this building. So thank you so much for being a part of that.